This is Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through my method of importing demo data as a bit of a backup. Occasionally when you're dealing with certain hosts and certain configurations, the demo data installer, the importer, can have a couple of issues, especially trying to drag the images over. I'm basically going to take you through the method I use to import the data and the images separately, which takes a lot of load off the server, and in my experience is pretty much flawless unless there's a pretty big problem with your hosting. Using this method should get you set up if everything else doesn't work. Right, so let's get to it. Okay, we've got we're using the Foundry for this video. We've got just a basic fresh install with no content other than what WordPress provides. We're going to start by simply importing the demo data, the kind of the old-fashioned method, I suppose. So this video presumes that you've had difficulty with either our in one-click demo importer in the theme options, or occasionally you may have issues using the standard WordPress importer. So what we're going to do, we're going to basically strip that down. So we're going to import the data first and then the images second, rather than trying to do it all in one hit, which is what can cause problems. Anyway, to begin, we go to Tools and Import, and because we're dealing with WordPress data at this point, we'll click there. And within the package that you downloaded from ThemeForest, you should see the demo XML data folder here, and that's the file. We'll just choose that and upload. Now it's important here, whatever you do with these options above for the users, that's fine, but down here where it's got import file attachments, leave that unchecked. Part of the problem in certain hosts is that they just don't have enough power to grab all those images, so we're going to do things separately. So yeah, leave that unchecked and hit submit. So we can see there, we've probably got a load of messages saying that the media has failed to import, but that's to be expected. We told it not to. Everything else is fine. We'll just go ahead and set up the home page now. And of course the blog. So if we take a look at the front end of the site now, see it's looking a lot better, but obviously there's no very few images. You'll notice some of them are still hosted on our site, but it's certainly not complete. There's bits missing. What we need to do now is actually import the attachments separately. There's an awesome little plugin available from WordPress.org, which is kind of the key to all this. If you go to plugins and add new, the plugin you want to get is the attachment importer. There you go. I just tend to find doing a search for WordPress import finds it for me straight away, and as you can see I do this quite often. It is a fantastic little solution. Okay, so we've searched for WordPress import, and well, there's the standard one. We don't want that. That's the one we do want. Although it does say it's untested, I use this pretty much daily, and it works absolutely fine with WordPress 4.3 currently, and I can't see any reason why that wouldn't carry on into the future. So that's the one we want. We're going to install that and activate it. And one of my favourite things about this plugin is it's really non-obtrusive as well. We simply import very similarly to how we did the original content. So we go to Tools and Import. But you'll notice now right at the top here you've got an extra option here for attachments, and again, just like the standard demo data, you browse your original folder that you downloaded from ThemeForest, get the XML file and give that to the attachment importer, and you've got a couple of options here about what you want to do with the images, whether or not you want to attach them to the person you're logged in at or a different user. I'll just leave that as default and just attach them to my account. And on some hosts, and GoDaddy, I'm looking at you. On some hosts, they really do need a bit of help to grab images. So rather than lump the image requests, you can delay each one by 5 seconds. It's really, if you are getting problems with this, then you may want to tick that and try the upload again. But to be honest, at this point, this should be pretty good. We've got the XML file. I'm going to hit upload, and what you'll see is the plugin will actually go through and grab each image from the demo data one by one and bring it into your website. Now this process does take a little while, and I doubt you want to watch it, so I'm going to pause the video, the recording while that's taking place, and we'll have a look at the front end of the site and see what's changed. Okay, so the import is now done. It took probably about 20 minutes of the process in an instant, but it does help. Let's take another look at the front end of the site and just have a look, see what's changed. And there we go. We can see we've got pretty much most of the images. There's a couple of bits missing, but certainly a lot more than we started with. Obviously from this point onwards you can go on and tweak and play with the theme as you wish. I hope this helps. If there are any problems still, come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks so much for watching.